it's me again. My name is Sherry, or 叫阿琪. I am at Tai Po area. Up to the building. 我而家喺大埔範圍上咗樓送外賣，不過送完啦。而家諗住影風景。Now I want to make a video of the outside view. See up here the outside view. Now here in Hong Kong it's nighttime. 而家香港呢度夜晚黑。Nighttime Hong Kong nighttime view is very beautiful, very good. See? Nice Hong Kong view. 個夜晚風景好靚啊！我最中意送外賣呢，可以上樓啦，跟住呢，可以有時間呢影下啲風景，影下啲美好風景，影下啲靚風景。